warn your social media warriors for them not to make use of the triple general's name again to make a broadcast.
Biafrans, I greet all of you. Please, there is 2 videos I want to play for you here now. The first one is the video you're seeing here, a video of Gentle the Yahoo giving a warning to our DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, and a reply from our DPM, Ngozi Orabueze, to him, Gentle the Yahoo. See, if this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Say your opinion under the comment section. Turn on your notification button and share this video massively. This is why you're supposed to share this video, whether you like it or not. Why you're supposed to share this video is because they respond to our Deputy PM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. Not everybody get this response. I don't know if you know what I am saying. What Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, a message he sent to Gentle the Yahoo, not everybody get the video. That is why you must share this video. As far as you like what our Deputy PM is doing, share this video massively. But first of all, you must listen and hear what Gentle the Yahoo tell our Deputy PM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, before you hear the returning message from our Deputy PM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. Watch the video. God bless you.
This is AKA Gentle the Yahoo, Onyezoku, Biafra. The General Gentle. I have come once again to highlight to my people, to make my people understand how things is moving. And I am thanking all of you, depending where you are watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location. I want to bring to you people today 3 things, 3 good things. Number 1, Ngozi Orabueze. This is Onyezoku. I come online today to dish out this warning to you. To warn you for the last time. Get your kwelaka, ebiruro kago gode. Get trial lords. And we are saying enough is enough. The warning goes like this. Warn your social media warriors from today henceforth, from today being 1st of March 2025. I am warning you. I am giving you out this warning. Ngozi Orabueze. Warn your social media warriors for them not to make use of the triple general's name again to make a broadcast. Starting from Holy Ghost and other ones. Warn them. Holy Ghost, I am warning you. Gentle the Yahoo is warning you. From today henceforth, never you ever come up on net again and broadcast on behalf of Ngozi Orabueze. Those wayo, all those wayo, enough is enough. All those propagandas, enough is enough. Ngozi Orabueze, be warned. I don't want to go further. Let me warn you for the very last time. If you are working with Caterpillar, better be careful.
We have another $20 from Prince Iwuchukwu, contribution to the crimes. Prince Iwuchukwu, $20 contribution to the crimes.
Crimes. Okay.
Yeah, he announced it already.
Okay, and $50.
He did announce it earlier.
Okay. Yeah, before Famdi, let me tell your friend, there's a video that I just saw from Butuzo. I don't know where. I think somebody saying that. I've not seen it anywhere, but I just saw that where Commander Butuzo was saying something about Holy Ghost, And
Is that Butuzo Gentle Lion?
okay, hold on. Kekwana, is that, I don't know, maybe I mixed their name.
It's the one that has the Biabia. That's the Gentle Lion.
I don't know any okay, sorry, I don't know any of that. What's that one?
Gentle.
Oh, Gentle
Lion.
Commander,
yeah.
Gentle Lion.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm so sorry. So
Please retract.
okay, I'm so
Thank
sorry.
you.
Let me see, please. Okay, so that one is called Gentle Lion, right?
That's the Gentle Lion, charge of Okibo area. Yes, thank you.
Okay, great. Okay, so this guy is not relevant. So there's, again, in case any Biafran sees that, there's a video, one guy, so-called Gentle Lion, I don't even know, I thought that was my commander, but again, he was saying something about Holy Ghost, that Rabbi should not talk about Holy Ghost, should not, that Holy Ghost should not post something about him again. Again, I don't even know. Holy Ghost is Sonny Akpalawa's brother. So you see how deranged some of these individuals, they're just like, people tell them something, they don't even know, they don't have a clue. So I don't know who talked to this individual called, it's not Gentle Lion, right? Let me write
Yeah,
it.
that's Gentle Lion. That's, what's the one with Biabia,
It's Gentle Lion.
Yeah, the one that celebrated Donald Trump victory. That's
okay. So there's a video he made. I just want to let Biafra. There's a video he made, and he was saying that Dr. Weze, something like, my media people include Holy Ghost, that Holy Ghost should not talk about him again. Nobody with a problem. I don't even know. Holy Ghost is Sonny Akparawa's brother. These are people that are even fighting against me. Then this individual called Gentle Lion went online to say that my media include Holy Ghost, who is talking about him. I mean, some people are really as confused as well. Then this same individual was talking about that there's somebody called the Success he's working with. Anyway, these people are really irrelevant. I don't want to address it. I thought that was
no, disregard.
I thought that was the general. Again, this Biafra, please. I'm just saying, in case you see anything anywhere like that, these are irrelevant people. The one called Success is suspended from this struggle. The one that is Holy Ghost, I don't know.
Worry about it. I will call you and make a connection about the
now. Hey, now. So that is looking for a way to kill. They now say his brother, Holy Ghost, is part of my media talking about Gentle Lion. But again, I'll just send it to the appropriate places. These are some of these people are just kind of as confused as hell. It is our duty to continue to and that's what happened when, if you, again, every department where in this government where we have a secretary or deputy secretary or cabinet member, the expectation from the government is that we need that discipline in that department so that we as a nation can get to where we are. But in some of the things some of us have observed is people say they have Biafra, some of the angels that are just as so undisciplined, and then you see people just, this one would be talking here, this one when the commander gives order, like they don't follow the instruction, and those are some of the things we're trying to see how we can manage and ensure that in every government there must be hierarchy. Because somebody's in the military, you're carrying gun up and down, doesn't mean you're superior to the government. I keep giving people an example. In America today, if we have to go to war, is the president that have to declare the war, then the military will go to war. It is not the other way around. So I think what they've seen in the past, all this while, maybe since 2014, I don't know, are situations where some of the leaders of Biafra are held hostage by these individuals that believe because they have the gun, it is the other way around. So the military will declare war, then the president will approve it. In Biafra land, it's never going to happen that way. It must be the other way around. The government is the one that decides what happens. The military is a part of government, but the military can never, ever be on top of the government. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. So just ignore this thing I wanted to say now. So go ahead, Dr. Agi, and
Thank you so much. Like I said, I'll reach out to you for you to make the connection, how it's pertaining to your media. I get it.
Dr. Agi, you have one addition to your media.
Yeah, no, I'll let you know why it's connected to the media.
Oh, okay.
That's exactly where it's coming from. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Dear friends, at this point is almost 1 a.m. in Biafra land. We'll bring today's fundraising to an end. But before then, I'll hand it over. You know, they said I'll go through the same route and get home through same route that I passed through to get here. On that note, I'll hand over to Famdi.
Thank you.
Secretary of Finance, Economic Development.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Secretary of Information and all the media.
Instead of declaring Biafra on the 2nd of December, you made it happen on the first day. That was a huge crime, though. And the crime you committed, you know, the question was those one that called Mike Johnson on phone and told him that they are traveling to Finland to declare Biafra on the 2nd. So he asked us a question right there in Finland, trying to even destroy the podium with his anger, asking us what he's going to reply to Mike Johnson. And he hasn't gotten the answer up to today. That was a very big crime you committed there. And the crime you committed is that you stood on the mandate that our internal leader gave to our supreme leader, which he passed on to our prime minister. And at the end, it was passed down to you, and you took it with honor. The love you have for Biafra, that is the greatest crime you've committed on earth. That crime is a crime of love that you've been trying to shade us from people that are trying to Islamize us. That was a great crime you committed there.
Yeah.
For trying to save the children of Biafra, trying to save our image and our destiny. It was a great crime from you. And they never understood it up till now. That's why you see that most of them are mad, breaking eggs everywhere, trying to find a clue to destroy your enemy, which they can never succeed. In the name of Chukwukabiyama.
You say,
Amen.
So much.
In all share, I don't want to continue because I have a lot, but let me call it short because we have a lot of hands. Today is our business day. I'm giving 50 a Gemma, and I paid it already. I'll send you the receipts right now. To
which state? Which state?
Odumegu.
Okay. All right.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
so much. Thank you so very much for that that crime that was committed. And I want to let Biafrans know that in each phase of this struggle, there will be a crime that is being committed. There was a crime that our leader Nnamdi Kanu committed. That is where he is today. There was a crime our original Prime Minister Simon Ekpa committed. That is where he is today. There is crime I have committed, which might land me to where I'll be tomorrow. And I let them know, after me, there are 1 million Biafrans after me that will even do worse than what I'm doing. So those that are looking for crime, let them get their pen and paper.
Oh, another one.
Ready to start recording those that will commit the crimes. Biafra is going to be established.
Another pen and paper.
From D is pen and paper.
Pen and paper.
So let them get ready because this crime, it will not stop. As our Hamadike have said, the restoration of Biafra, the independence of Biafra is already here. Regardless of, and I keep saying it's not about me, it's not about PM Simon Ekpa, it's not about the ideology of the people. The full restoration of the United States of Biafra, nobody can stop that. That is what the criminals do not know.
Yes.
But what they
Exactly.
keep doing is thinking that if they take out this one, it will stop. If they take out Nnamdi Kanu, if they take out Simon Ekpa, if they take out COS, they are just sick. If they know what is coming to them, if they know what is coming to them, they will know that there are 1,000 Biafrans that will take over after Dr. Rabweze. So let them be prepared for those 1,000. That's what I need to tell them. They don't know what is coming, but their myopic sense that Europe gave them to continue to milk our oil, to continue to subdue Biafrans, to continue to isolate our leaders, they think that by doing that, they will get what the Southeast governor, delegitimized Southeast governors and South governors are doing, because they use them. Nigerian state would always see a willing tool. So they saw a willing tool from these criminals parading themselves, pretending that they are fighting for Biafra. And you keep asking yourself, the mistake that our prime minister did was to bring these criminals back into the struggle. We would have gone way faster than what we are. But bringing these criminals around him, and they continue to do what they are doing. That is what Dr. Rabweze refused to do. And that's what I am telling them, that I will not make the same mistake that our prime minister made. Our prime minister did not make some of the mistakes that our leader Nnamdi Kanu made. So let them go write that on record. The mistake I made was to declare Biafra on the 29th of November, 2024, when they have already plotted to disrupt the restoration of Biafra on 2nd December. They are fools. They do not know the game and who they are playing the game with. So they all planned for 2nd December with all their shenanigans, with all their tactics, with all the thing Nigerian state government wanted them to do. But I tell them, they've not seen anything.
The Mavericks.
They must bow, whether they like it or not. They must bow.
They ain't seen nothing yet. And I tell them to get ready. This, we will conclude. It's already concluded. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, DPM. They must all bow, whether they like it or not.
Amen.
We've done it. We've done it. Thank you. Thank you for that. We're gonna go with I can see Honorable German's hands up. Let's pick up other people first. Lino's phone, Emeka Okafor, I think. Lino's phone.
Surrender. No retreat, no surrender. And nothing like election in our land. If you love your dear life, this is for Igbos. If you love your dear life, this is AKA Janto the Yahoo, Onyezoku, Sala Biafra. The General Janto. I've come once again to highlight to my people, to make my people understand how things is moving. And I am thanking all of you, depending where you are watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location. I want to bring to you people today three good things. Number one, Ngozi or Rabweze. This is Onyezoku. I come online today to dish out this warning to you, to warn you for the last time. Etiyekwelaka, ebiruroka gogode. Etrayale lords. And we are saying enough is enough. The warning goes like this. Warn your social media warriors from today henceforth, from today being 1st of March 2025. I am warning you. I am giving you out this warning. Ngozi Rabweze. Warn your social media warriors for them not to make use of the triple general's name again to make a broadcast. Starting from Holy Ghost and other ones. Warn them. Holy Ghost, I am warning you. Gentle the Yahoo is warning you from today henceforth. Never you ever come up on net again and broadcast on behalf of Ngozi Orabueze. Those wayo, all those wayo, enough is enough. All those propagandas, enough is enough. Ngozi Orabueze, be warned. I don't want to go further. Let me warn you for the very last time. If you are working with Caterpillar, better be careful. Come up once and let people know and let Biafrans understand that you are a full DOS. Let the Biafrans understand this. Then if you make it as a mistake, it's better you start now. Start now so that it can never be too late for you and correct your ways. Caterpillar is a DOS. We have gotten every information. How you and the Caterpillar rubbish our people at Enugu. Ngozi Orabueze, be warned. Ngozi Orabueze, be warned. This is a vital warning and a vital information to all Biafrans all over the world. If Ngozi Orabueze is working with Caterpillar and what that is in them, Uruago, there we know that Ngozi Orabueze is a full DOS. There we know that Ngozi Orabueze is the one that sold Simon Ekpa. All this propaganda of it, we are tired of it. We don't want all this nonsense again to continue in Biafra nation. Ngozi Orabueze, be warned. I don't have much to tell you. Start from now and correct your ways. And leave sources and the Ogenkere all alone. Since you people doesn't want to call yourselves in order to discuss our problem in round table. I don't want to put my mouth in this matter. But since I got this information that you, Ngozi Orabueze, is working with Ikenga, Uruago, and the Caterpillar. Ngozi, your cup is coming up. Be careful with Biafrans. Be careful with men on ground. Be careful with men on ground. Holy Ghost, Commander Holy Ghost. Let me tell you this. Never you ever broadcast with Butozo again. Never you ever broadcast with Butozo again. Now, secondly, Soludo, as you can see, this is a bird. AKA Isenko. You see it? We are fully prepared and we are fully ready. Butodo, Soludo, stop deceiving our people. I'm a former that na Ejagonara the same thing hope unara. Ejagonara menace in the hands of Fulani jihadists, in the hands of Boko Haram, just to deceive our people. You are tackling pastor churches. You are tackling native doctors. Soludo, rolemwe kunu yenwa mamiya. Soludo age jide Boko Haram. Akpopi accords. Jekbe yi be release ya. Soludo aye jide bandits. Ejekbe yi be release ya. Soludo aye jide bandits. Asigi na nwene repented bandits, repented Boko Haram, and made him march in the military. Soludo Botage jide a Biafran freedom fighter. You people will kill him. Soludo, ordinary Biafran separatist people that are fighting for their freedom. People that are fighting for their freedom. Soludo, you people will catch them and kill them. Soludo came when we to drill in this life. Biafran repented. Only people that are asking for their freedom. And you people are killing them like a fowl. Soludo, now we find out. Now we find out that Tinubu and the national security advisors are not the ones troubling Igbos. That it is the Southeast governors and senators. You people are fools. But that's no problem. We are getting ready for you people. Jiraka ge waro wegi legi because Onyezo Kujanto is coming after you. Biafrans is coming after you. Soludo, keep on doing whatever you are doing. Biafrans is coming after you. Now you have collected the money. You want to establish it to them. You want to give Anambra land, Anambra homeland to Islamic. You want to Islamize our own country. You want to Islamize our own nation. So it can never work. Remember, Nigeria have never been a country before. Nigeria have never been a nation before. Nigeria is about to come after you. It's bigger than you. It's a thing that you have never known. And it's a thing that you can never know it in this life. Soludo, I don't have much to tell you. Galiru, Wailigi, because we are coming. Soludo, Galiru, Wailigi, because we are Biafrans, we are coming. Soludo, we are coming. We must come out. And I want to make it openly today for the whole world to hear me out and hear it clearly. Soludo, remember that your first son in this world, in this nation called Biafra. Soludo, remember that your daughter is the that one. Look at how foolish and selfish you are. You are moving around searching women that are wearing pants and don't you listen to yourself. Soludo, just watch yourself. Watch what you are doing to yourself. Soludo, shame to you. But remember, believe you me, that I am coming after you. Soludo, are you? Believe you me. Totally.